कंपनीक फायन मारल्या PF भरूंक ना म्हणून हेंचो वर्करांचो.
Okay.
सो तुमकां कितें खबर आसा?
No, but I am saying if PF is a must, no, what companies basically got to follow the rules. And then the department must have taken action on that.
आनीक अश्यो खंयच्यो आसा तुमच्या हितून येता?
No, I didn't have any meeting lately with the singer because I'll be having a meeting tomorrow with the commissioner. Not on that issue, but on the other issue.
Which issues that this issue will be
Tomorrow is the workers. We are supposed to form a committee on that. On the board, the fresh board which was not existing actually. We are supposed to incorporate it.
labor
Not labor welfare board. There's another workers board or some board is coming up.
आणि आमोदली जी कम्युनिटी लाईन जी स्कॅम जाल्लो आमच्याचो तेजेर कितें एक्शन घेतलें
ते ॲक्शन घातलें फेलो इज बीन सस्पेंडेड.
तेज्या नंतर आनी कोण आसा
ना काय हें करना. इन्वेस्टिगेशन इज गोइंग ऑन. आय थिंक द मॅटर हॅज बीन गिवन टू विजिलन्स. आय थिंक विजिलन्स इज गोइंग टू लूक इनटू इट.
सो आतां तितल्यान परत फूल कंपनी कडेन दिल्ली आसा
No, one matter is actually going on in the court also regarding that this thing. Now what that administrator what he has done, I think for what administrator has done by transferring it, I think that is the thing which has been going on with the vigilance department. But otherwise the matter is going on in the court.
What is now? What is the update of the smart city?
Smart city update, I have still not taken update because of what is the now as far as the chairman of the smart city, the chief secretary is the chairman. So he has just taken over as chief secretary. He has not had the meeting yet. So once the meeting is there, then I will come to know what is the outcome of this.
Thank you.